Welcome to CARTLENZ, your smart and efficient ERP POS solution. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to make a sale using the system. Step 1. Select the customer. Start by selecting the customer from the drop-down list. You can also choose the sales date if you're backdating or scheduling a future sale entry. Step 2. Add products. To add products, simply type in the product name, SKU, batch number, or scan the barcode in the search field. Once you type the first 3 letters, product suggestions will automatically appear. You can also browse and select products from the category and brand list shown here. After selecting a product, you can enter the sale quantity and, if needed, apply a discount in percentage or rupee value for the item. The system will automatically calculate the line total for each product added to the cart. Step 3. Additional option. You can apply an overall sale discount, either as a flat amount or a percentage. You also have the option to set a tax percentage and add shipping charges in rupees. All calculations, including rate total, total discount, tax amount, shipping, and total payable, are automatically displayed in the summary section on the right side. Step 4. Payment. Now it's time to choose your payment method. You have multiple options, including cash, multiple pay, credit sale, overpayment. If credit sale is selected, the unpaid balance is considered credit. If nothing is paid, the full amount is credited. If you click the cash, the payment settled as full payment. And that's it. Your sale is now complete. With CARTLENZ, managing your sales is simple, fast, and smart. Thank you for choosing CARTLENZ.